Welcome back to another YouTube video, TopHatPlus. Today I thought I would mix things up a little bit. I've been a bit of a transition period for the last couple of years of my life, and I really want to get some stuff done in the next couple months. So I thought, what is a better way to grow my YouTube channel and potentially build some interest around it than maybe sharing what I kind of am planning and doing? So I thought I would put together, because I've been referred to as an artist a lot lately, mainly for work, the drawings I do for work, which they're a little bit better than this, but not by much. So I thought I would put together a visual illustration and I would walk you guys through my current plan to fix some of the shortcomings and issues I have had lately. For one, we have a Camaro. This is me currently. Okay? We will say that this is King Sad Bob. I'm king of the sad boys. So this is where I'm at. I have the Camaro. It's been an absolute nightmare. It is no longer doing what I need to do, but the Carfax on it is so brutally bad. It is to the tune of... This is the current Carfax. $40,000 in repairs to replace the front bumper 2 times. So I'm in a spot where the car has no value to get rid of, so it does not propel me through this whole chart faster. I'm kind of stuck with it. I'm trying to get it paid off so I can use it, enjoy it, and potentially just fix it up and keep it for forever, because it is a great car and I do like it. So I'm stuck with the Camaro for now, and this is where I live in Sad Bob Town. And I don't want to stay in Sad Bob Town, so I put together a 3-stage plan to propel me from Sad Bob Town to Healthy Happy Bob Town, where Bob is happy and healthy and enjoying life. So I need to get there. Step one is obviously YouTube. You guys, the support I've seen here is kind of the fundamental way I can do this with the least amount of, I guess, long-term ramifications. My health hasn't been great. My physical health is challenging. The more hours I put on myself, the more hours I take to recover. Like, I know everybody goes, oh, getting old sucks. Like, born with arthritis, I have had it every day of my life, and I've never not known it. So I'm trying to make plans to live with it forever, because last time I checked, there is no cure. And I would know because I'm pioneering a few things with it. Anyway, currently at 11,483 subscribers. Thank you all, by the way. I am making between $85 and $105 per month. Every month, I have made a little north of $15,000 on YouTube, which would achieve this at this point had I not have tried to use it to keep this going. So, this is where we're at. If I hit 100,000 subscribers, this number should be a lot higher than what it is, but I put this down to be conservative and fair. It should be $2,500 to $4,500 a month. I put it down at $850 to $1,150. Like, honestly, I could live off that, which sounds kind of bad and awful, but I'm a pretty low-key dude. So if I can get this 10 times to here, everything here gets really easy. The other thing I'm doing is I'm building things. You guys know I build things. I've been sharing a lot of stories of things I build. Some of them require a grotesque amount of labor and back-breaking everything. I love this. This is super lucrative, obviously. I can charge a really good amount. I have over 20 years of carpentry experience, plus everything else and building trailers and everything else we did. Building things. The plan, build more things. That's it. I build the portfolio. My clientele has been increasing in scale as well, and the projects are getting bigger and more elaborate and more expensive, and my workmanship is going and following suit with it. So that makes me quite happy. So I do love step 2, and my plan is to do this forever. The thing I want to do is, because this is funding this, I want this to fund this. I want to switch them. So I do this for fun, and I do this for extra income, and if I want a new computer, I smash out a few jobs, save up a few grand, and then I invest back into this. But right now, this is funding and keeping me fed and insurance paid and some gas in the tank, basically. But this is not a feasible long-term solution for me because of my physical health. So, step 3, I need to get a truck. The problem is I have my Camaro, and I want to get a K-truck. I want to get a K-truck bad. It kind of meets every single one of my needs. It's small, it's practical, it's low maintenance, it's cheap to drive, it's not fast. It has a 5.5-foot box with tilt-down sides. Comes in a manual, which I thought would be super fun. And it's just efficient. You can get, like, a lot of times I'm working in tight areas or construction zones or cities, and it's very difficult to get big vehicles down and trailers and whatever. So I do want to get a K truck and become Happy Healthy Bob. So I'm trying to figure out how to turn this into this so that this replaces this to put this in a real scope of life. So I would name it K-Cup because it would be a K-Truck, but it's cute, and K-Cups are things people use for coffee. I don't drink coffee, so this would be my K-Cup every morning. Row, first, second, third, and get her up to a very majestic 65 kilometers an hour. Well, I cruise at like 175 liters per 100 kilometers, which obviously is bad math because it should be like 2.7, but here nor there. Very efficient on gas. And I don't know, this has kind of been where I've been at lately, and I thought I would share with you guys. What do you guys think? Thoughts on K-Trucks? I would love some input. Thoughts on things to avoid for K-Trucks? Thoughts on things to look for when buying one? Brands, models, good, bad stories, safety. I don't know, just what do you think? How do we go from King Sad Bob to Happy Healthy Bob? I'm looking for input, and this is my 3-step plan to make my life super duper. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.